Hello guys and welcome back to my other new video. Okay, I have got some comments from my subscriber to please explain the video whenever you are making and creating a video. So I have do my best to explain everything. I'll attach the comments, screenshots further when creating and editing the video. You can see now this website very I have tried my best to explain and create. So let's see what will be the result. Okay, just enjoy the video for now. Okay, this will be the food section. I'll start some music here, you can enjoy. This is the gallery. You will see the full explanation of the video I have created with my own voice, or so you can, if you have any question, anything, you will learn from the video. Okay, this is the mobile responsiveness.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have provided the link here in the top. It will connect us to the font awesome. Okay, it's the CDN link with the font awesome. Also below this, you will see the style.css link, and in the end you will see the JavaScript link. So first of all, let me try to start. So we are going to create the header of our website. So I'll take a tag header, okay, and in this I will take a class header, okay. After that I'll be creating three steps in here, okay. First of all, I'm taking a div and will take a class logo, and in between here I'll take a tag of image and source images logo. I'll choose the white logo, yes, okay. So basically there will be three steps. After that I'm going to create the nav bar, okay. I'll take the class nav bar and we'll be taking a few links. We'll be using hash as a dummy link. So home, and with control D I can duplicate them, okay. About let me take one our menu, the other one just like gallery, and the last one will be contact us, yeah, okay. After that I'm going to create the bar. So first of all I'll take a div tag, and I'm taking the class as icons, okay. In here I'm taking a class for menu bar. So when we click on that, so it will toggle the menus down in a mobile responsive view. So I'm taking the class as fs let me just go and go to black view. Yeah, it's here. Okay, I'm just taking one more thing going toward font awesome. I'm using font awesome version 5.5 5.15. Okay, let me just write the card option. Sorry, the card. I'll be taking card. So this first one, I think 5115 is compatible with this. So here I'll just get this one. Okay, and let me just press the one below down here. I'll copy the class from here and will be pasting it here. Let me check, is it working? Yeah, you can see as we have got the cart icon here. I'll remove the eye icon because it's fun in that case. Okay, so after that let me just go toward the style sheet. Okay, I have already added the font. Okay, so the font link I have taken it from the Google font. Also I have already attached the colors for my shortest way. It will be the shortest way for me, so I'll be picking up the colors from here. Also I have declared it for the all the star. This tag we use is for like these all thing will be applied to the whole website. Okay, and HTML I have already chosen, so the font size will be smaller, like 62.5%, and overflow X will be hidden. Okay, after that I'm going to just now start to design my header section. So first of all I'll fix the position. So the position will be fixed. Okay, and padding will be 1.5 rem to, so it will be the on top bottom, and 7% will be from left right. Okay, I'll giving it the background as you can see. I'll also use this one variable, this, and like this the one. Okay, I'll say that the left will be 0 as we have used the position property. So left right 0, and one more thing, the important thing, will make it flex. So display flex direction will be flex, sorry, not flex direction. Just cut it out. I'll write here justify content space between, so they will move far away from each other. Okay, and we will be in one line. Okay, I'll be writing a line item center, a line item center. Okay, like this. So you can see all of them are just in one line. Okay, so now just let me scale out something. I want to change the color to yellow. Yellow and green. Sorry, yellow and orange. Okay, now I want to reduce the size of the logo, so I'll taking the logo class. Okay, here, logo, and in logo I'll say the image tag, picking up that, and width will be 75 pixel. I think it will be better. Okay, after that let me just now set up the links. So I'll say that in the navbar A, font size will be 1.5 rem, color will be white, and let me just give it some padding like 1 rem, and margin left Okay, after that let me check it. It's looking like this. So I'm going toward the icons. So font size will be 18 pixel. Let me check that it's good. I think we can keep it as 2 or yeah, that's fine. And let's see the more thing in icons. I'll say icons and the inner div inside the icon. I'll give it a margin. Select one margin. There will be bit margin between them. Okay. So first of all, let me hover on that. When we hover on the icons, so when we hover on it, then the cursor will be pointer. Cursor pointer. This is what we will do like this. Okay. And let me say one thing. So let me change this color to white. Color will be white. And when we hover on it, then I'll put the color as variable. Let me try it as orange. Okay. Or green. Trying both green colors. No, this one is not very well. So this one maybe. Yeah, this fine. And let me increase the size a bit more. 3 rpm. No, it's not looking good. 2.5 will be fine. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to hide the menus bar. Let me just give it an ID menu dash bars. Okay. So now what I am going to do is I'll keep display none. Display none. Now you will see it will be hidden from that plus. And I have already created the media QDs for 768 pixels. So for here I'll say HTML and font size will be 55%. Okay. And I'll say here that menu bar, let me just write it this one. So display initial. Okay. Let's see on inspect element, and we are going to a mobile view like this. So you can see it will appear here. Okay. I'll fix everything later. First of all, let me just fix up some other things. Okay. So when we click over this, now you see that it's look like this. The menus are here. I want when we click on this, when we came to the mobile view, so the nav bar should go be hidden, and it will be hidden. And when we click over this, so then it after that, after clicking, it will come and we will see the menu bar. Okay. So let me just style out that too. So I will say that nav bar position absolute, top 0, and left 0, right will be also 0. So you will see it like this. Let me check it now. You can see it, it's moved toward our header. Let me make it top 100%. Okay, now you will see color. Change the color to as double true. Now I don't know why it's not coming up here. Let me check it. I'll hit one time. Let's see if there's nothing appears here. So okay, yeah, got it. No, I have written it wrong. So we will say that in the nav bar, the A length color will be. Hope now we can see it. Yes, it appears now. I'll make it to 100%. Okay. Yeah, that's fine now. Okay, let me just do one more thing. So we will give it height 100 VH. Let me scale the width to 30 REM, and background should be yellow. It will look like this. Okay. Let me just get something. So display block and see what happened. Yes, and let me give it some margin 1.5 rem, and padding also 1.5 rem. Background color should be green, and border 2 pixels solid white. Yeah, you can see it like this. We'll give it a color as white. Background should be this. And yeah, I think it's fine. Border dash radius will be 15 pixels. That's good. It's okay. Okay. Let me show you one more thing. Okay. So moving toward, I have a clicky CSS. You can see. I'll get the link here. So let me just scale everything here. Okay. I'm going at this trapezoid. Okay. I'll make it like this. Okay, and we'll make it like side. Okay, I will copy this clip path. Okay, and we'll paste it in the nav bar here. Now you will see the nav bar will be disappeared. Yes. So now when we click on this on the menu bar, so you will see it after this. Okay, so after this I'm going to make it like visible like this. There is many more things, I'll discuss it later. Okay. Okay, for now I have set it up for myself. Let me move toward the script. Okay, so in the script I'll take let menu bar is equal to document dot query selector And in the query selector, what we will take like the id of this one. Okay, I'm copying it and will write it here. Also, sorry, just putting two columns, hash, and okay, I'll just duplicate this one. I'll write it here nav bar. Okay, and we'll write here my nav bar. Okay, now what will be happening here? So I'll write the menu bar dot on click is equal to no, not like this. It will be like this. Okay, when we click on the menu bar, okay, I'll say it that menu bar dot head dot toggle and say fa dash times. I think it's add class menu bar dot. Let me just check it out. It will be the class list. Okay, and I have forget one more thing there. It will not be the hash here, we will write the class. Let me now check if it's working or not. Okay, it will change to, it's not changing to the effect, it will be become a cross icon. So let me check where we are making the mistake. I think the error will be like we have to write the L capital. Let me try this one. Okay, yeah, it's now fine working. When we click over that, and then we will write here below, so my nav bar dot class list dot toggle limit active, it will be active. Okay, so when it goes to active, like I'm writing it here, dot nav bar dot active, we will not give any space between in here. As you can see, we are giving space here when we are writing the other class, so we can't do any space here. And when it's going to be active, we are going here to copy this one. Okay, the one. Let me try now. Okay, yeah, it's fine, it's now working. Okay, we can also make the height more up to in the to go here, and we can also add one more logo. So when we click over here, so the whole panel will appear and a new logo has to be appear here. Okay, I think that's fine now. For now it's working. Okay, so up to somehow we have just decorate our menu. Okay, now let me try when we hover on that. Let me also, I want to add box shadow. So going here, I'll write box shadow. I'm having a link here. I don't like the yellow color, I want to change it to white. The header color, let me write it as, let me copy this one. Okay, and we will try up in here. So header, and here let me paste the box shadow. Now you will see the effect. Box shadow has been appeared here. I'll change the background to white. Let me try. I'll change the background to white, and the colors of the icons have to be yellow or green. So let's move what we can do now. Okay, so now I want to make some changes to the header section. So let me change the header background first. Okay, there are a few changes. So I'll write it will be white, and let me also remove the logo image. Okay, uh, color of this will be the links color will be green. Okay, and one more thing. So let me put it down. So no, it's already green. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, it's fine. And I want to remove one more thing from here. One remove the image from here. Okay, I want just to add an h1. Okay, sorry, like h1, and I will just write it here logo, and we'll add one more thing, so it will be look like this. Okay, then the font awesome. Okay, and let me somehow okay, it's fine now. Until that I will design the logo. Okay, so in the logo I'll write the logo, and let me try it. I can change the color directly from here, so yeah, it will be green. It will look like that, and let me just set a logo for this. So the logo, I don't know why my system is going to be step 2, step 4. It's going to be too slow. Searching, yeah, that's the one I was searching for. Let me try it. We can okay, so before H1 I'll test the class from the font awesome. Okay, and yeah, it's here, but I think something is missing. I'm gonna go this one for now. No, I think yeah, it is a 6 version. Let me change it to 5 version, and then I'll okay, after converting to 5 version, let me just get this. I'll copy this and we'll paste it here. Control Z, Control V, and I think it will work now. And boom, yeah, it's working. Okay, so basically, here we go. Let me write it down and yeah, it's one of them. And logo and I. Let me make it display. Let's see if it's working fine. will be very dull and clean. Okay, let's write width will be 100% for now. Okay, height will be 1 pixel. And we'll write position actually. Okay, top will be 100%. And now just have a look here. We will write one more thing, left 0. And now see. Oh, let me just make it the original A will be position relative. It will not go out of its own A tag. Now it's fine. Okay. Okay. Now when we hover on it, okay, hover, we will move all other components. Hover. Okay. And let me write the width here will be 0. And right of transition 0.5. Okay, now as we can see no width here. Okay, when we hover on it, the width will be 100%. This will be the last step of I think there's some problem. Let me write that number for like now let's try. Oh, it's work now. Yeah, it's working now. Fine. That's fine. Okay. Alright. After this is what our header has been created. Let me check in mobile view. Okay. So when we move it here, I'll show you here we need some sort of padding. So the header padding in mobile view will be highlighted in the top before this header and padding. Now you will see, yeah, some. So let me check it out now. Look at it. You know, it's working fine. Okay. And this one is the manual. Let me change the background to green or green bar also. So where it was set, the background will be green. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, it's all workable now. Hope you understand until now. I'll now move toward the home section. I'm just pausing the video and start again.
As we have completed our header section, now I'm going to move toward the home section. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'm taking a class for the left side. Okay, we will write the content there. So I'll write man dash home. After that, I'll write left dot home dash left dash content. Okay, now I'll write a tag, like I will take a tag h3. Are you hungry? H2, yes, I am hungry. Okay, let me write it as H1, and this will be H2. Let's order some food. And let me just make one more thing, that dot inner dash home dash content. Okay, Okay, and I'll take one more thing here for button. I'll take A and I will write it order now. After that, I will take one more class, home dash right dash content. I'll write dot home dash image dash content, and in here I'll write take the image tag and will take images home. Home image background image. Okay, let me write it like that. Okay, now let's see, go to live preview. It will look like this. So for home, I'll be taking it as, let me just scale it out, moving toward here. Okay, that home padding, I'll give it padding of 4 rem and 7%. Hope it'll work. Yeah. Okay. Okay, after that, let me take one more thing. I'll take the main home class, okay, and I'll give it padding, sorry, padding desktop will be 3 rem. It's now okay, and I'll give it display flex, align items, center, flex rep. It will help in the responsiveness of the website, okay, and I'll give it the gap will be 15 pixel. No, it will be like 1.5 rem. Now see, okay, it's all right. Okay, now I'm facing one more thing and I don't know. Okay, after that, let me just take the left side of the home. Okay, and I'll write it as, I'll give it now the width. So flex 11 and 45 rem. Let's see. Now it's working. And let me take also the right side of the home, so you will see everything will be fine after this. Flex 11 and 45 rem. So both sided will be 45 rem. Okay, all right, in the home section, sorry, in the right section of the home. Okay, which one class do we have? Yes, this one. Copying this and paste here, then write img and width will be 100%. Up to somehow it's okay. And let me just give it padding of 4 rem, so we will decrease the size. Okay, make it 5 rem. Fine now. Okay, now we will work on the left side of the home page. So basically, yeah, we'll start from here. So here, as we can see this, I'll write this and we'll take h3. I'll write font dash family will be dancing script and cursive. Let me try if it's working. Yeah, working. And I'll take font dash size will be 100 pixel. It's too large. Let me take it 60 pixel. Fine. And one more thing, let me just also scale the others. So we have H1, yes, H1 and then H2. H1 font dash weight will be 600. Okay, font dash size will be like 40 pixel. Let me add some more thing. Padding dash bottom will be 1 rem. I need to reduce the size of this will be 40. Okay, and for H2 I'll use the same thing. So just write it here H2. Okay, need some padding. Padding dash bottom 1 rem. Let me increase the size of. Let me just increase the size of H1. We will take it 60 and let's see. Yeah, fine. This one will be 45 and the last one will be 45 too. Let me just give it some padding on the both side. So we'll take this class here, padding 0 and 1 rem. Let's see. Alright, now I will work for the button. Let me just take a padding dash bottom will be 2.5 rem. Alright, now here we are having a. So in this class, a padding 1.5 rem and 2 rem, background will be variable and green, color will be white, font dash size will be 1.5 rem. Perfect. Let me just take it in here and we'll change the class to the inner content. All fine. Okay, check now. Perfect. Let me give it some border dash radius will be 15 pixel. All fine. Okay, now I'm going to make some changes in here. So basically the home I'm having already something here. Let me just copy and paste it. So this is the thing. It will take a bit time and I just need to decorate something. It's not working. Okay. Okay, there is one thing we need to set it out. So I need to give it the color, the green color, okay? Hope it will work now. Yeah, it's working now. Fine. Okay, but we need some changes here. I think I have to write it in the main home. It will then work perfectly. Yeah, it's fine now. Let me just change its style will be, let me just do some, make some changes. I will let you know. Okay guys, so I have made some changes. So I have rotated into 470 degree. Okay, white color will be 50%. Okay, it will be looking like this now. So the white color is 50%, and let me just scale it out. So the green will be also 50. I think it will work. Let me, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now if I do reduce it, there will be something more changing. If I do it to 60, you will see some blurriness. Okay, so I think the one before was fine. Let me make it 70, so you will see the whole effect. After that it will look like this. Okay, but I think the one will be fine with 50%. That's the whole thing. Okay, now I'm moving toward the responsiveness. Okay, and you will see the whole thing here. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, first of all, now I'm going to remove the padding from the image. Okay, so where is the image content? Where it was? I think it's down below. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, and moving to 768 pixel, let me just paste it here. I'll remove the width from here. Okay, and I'll just make it 2 rem. Hope it will fine now. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, and for this I'll just go up, and sorry, let me just check one more thing, so it will be fine. I think if we give some padding to the left side of the home page. Okay, I hope it will work. So I think I have missed something here. Let me just paste it again. Okay, what did okay, fine. Now we will remove the flex element. Okay, and we'll just give it padding. Desktop will be 3 rem. Now let's see what happened here. Okay, we need something more, like 5 rem will be perfect. That's fine now. Okay, and we don't need one more thing here. So I want to remove the padding also from here, from this one. I think there's nothing good, but let me just inner home content. It was the class we have given to the left side of the content, this one. Okay, let me just scale down. It'll take long time to explain everything, but for some time I'll not explain some things, so let me just make it 00. Okay, mm, let me check one more thing with 100%. Let's see any effect. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, that's fine. If I reduce the font size, I think it will affect more things, so I don't want to change anything else here. Also, you will see the this one is also working fine. Okay, but I think, yeah, that's fine. We don't need any Z index on there. Okay, it's fine. All right. So our home section has been completed. Okay, now we will move toward the next section. I'll start it later. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start it. I have given the main class as choose. Okay, after that, let me go to the other section where I will write it. I have taken one tag h1 and write choose. Okay, and let me write it in between span. Okay, after that, let me take man dash choose. Okay, I'll take three more classes. So I'll write the inner dash choose. Okay, and we'll take an image here and the right choose one, and between in here I'll write one another class. I'll write it inner dash choose dash content. Okay, so here I'll be writing the main thing is heading type. Okay, okay, I'll just write here good food. Okay, and after it I will take key and learn option. Let me remove the additional lines. It's fine. And just now I will take one more class. I'll just make it copy and paste, but let me take one more thing here. A tag of a, it will be like for link such type and like order now. Okay, now I'll just copy and paste all of them. Let's check this. It's looking like this. Let me just scale it out. Okay, so for the first I'm going to take this class then padding like padding 2 and 7%, and here we have a tag h1, alright, h1, and we'll write and the size will be 40 pixel, font dash family will be done Sanskrit, and cursor. Okay, color will be this one, and I think choose for text align center and right. I'll now target the span tag in each one. Okay, span and span. Color will be, let me try the orange one. Okay, that's looking good. Let me just increase the padding in the man class and increasing the size, so it will be 60 pixel. Okay, now we
we will decorate the other things in our class. So let me just move to that. First of all, I'll take this class and it will be like display flex align item center flex wrap will be red. It will help in responsiveness. Depth will be 15 pixels and I think that's fine. Let's see. Okay, now I take this class and I will give it width. So I think flex 1 and 300 pixel will be fine. Okay, let me just change the images. Choose 3. It's working okay. Alright, so after that, the main thing is the image here. I'll say that img and width will be 100%. I'm giving it some padding will be 3 rem. Maybe 4 rem will be very fine. Okay. Now I'll work with these stuffs of the elements. So let me take h2 and f and the p tag. Okay, so here I'll write h2 and color will be green. Font size will be 28 pixel. Okay, and we'll give it padding. I need to give some padding to this class. Okay, padding 0 and 4 rem. All fine. After that I will take the p tag, p color of the p will be blackish. Font size 1.5 rem. I need some padding here. So padding dash bottom will be 1 rem. All fine. I will reduce this padding to 0.5 rem. And I think padding with images let me write it 2 rem and try this one now. Okay, I need to move them more inside. So now that's fine. 4 rem will be fine. Okay, now I'll take the tag A and I'll decorate A. Background color
more. Okay, and hover on A. Alright, background will be hash 333. And one more thing, I just want border dash radius will be 15 pixel, and here will be border radius will be 0. Just check it out. Okay, that's fine. Let me just give some padding here. Let's see if we can fix it with margin desktop on REM. Not working here, so I think I have to increase the padding, and I need one more thing to be fixed, so I think I have to text align center will be fine. It will look like this now. Okay, it's looking good. Let's see the mobile responsiveness. So I think it's fine now, but what we are going to see is they are interacting with each other. So the main reason of this will be, let me check. It was 100 VH. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Everything is looking good. So I think this section has been fully completed. Okay, I will just move to the other section. Okay guys, now I'm going to create the gallery section. Okay, the gallery section. So first of all, I'll take h1 tag. Okay, and we'll write our gallery. Okay, and let me just close it in the span tag. So let me just copy. Okay, after that, let me take one more thing. Man, the class name will be man dash gallery. Okay, and after this we'll take inner. Let me just make another one more class. It will be like dot gallery dash icons. Okay, leave this class for now. Okay, I will present it in the end, and for now let me just take the inner dash gallery, and I think I have to take this class. So this tag full div tag in here. Okay, I'll take one more class for image. So gallery dash img simple. I will take an image tag and will pick the image. Okay, okay, just need to copy and paste this class like 3 2 4 1 3 4 6. I have also made some changes in the previous section to this section. Okay, you can get it from source code. Okay, now this is the gallery. Okay, so now need to decorate something and design the gallery section. So first of all, I'll take the main class of the gallery. Make some padding like 3 rem and 7%. Okay, and we have another one more thing like h1 tag here. So we just need to give it font size will be 40 pixels. Font family will be the same as dancing script and cursive. Okay, text align center. And here we have a span tag between the h1 tag and this one span, and color of the span will be I think this one will be alright. Let me just check it now. All fine. Okay. I think I have to increase the size with 15 and the color will be this one. Okay. After this, let me take the class the man gallery. Okay, man gallery. We need to give some padding to the man gallery, so padding will be first. Let me check. After that, we will look. Okay, so 3 and let me give it one more thing. So display will be flex. Align items will be center. Align item center. Gap will be 20 pixels. One more thing. What is this? Sorry. It will be flex wrap. Yep, wrap. Fine. Let's see. Okay, fine. Now we have to take this class, the inner gallery. Okay, inner gallery. So let me take the position relative in the start, and flex will be 1 and 2 pixels will be fine. The man region is I think gallery image class. That will be 100%. That's fine. Let me just change the images. So this is 2. That will be 3. That will be 4, 5. This will be 6. There's no 6, 7. And 9 or anything else. Looking like this. Okay. I was thinking about to add some icons when we were on this, and the icons come over here to be displayed, but I don't think so it will look good. So let me just make it for you simple. I'll just try this. I'll take this.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I have already created the
Last
review
will
section.
be
The next time I will inshallah explain everything about the review section, but for this time the video will be going to be too lengthy. I'm going just creating another section, so it will be for like order or something, contact us, you can use for anything. So for that we will be going to create like taking the main div.
okay. We got this. Now simple is that the inner gallery is already
and between there I'll
so
taking
now let me check
the
this.
right
I need
side,
limited. Let me just make
right
into
content.
reference
Okay,
position e
table,
absolute.
and here
So it will
I'll
be
create one more thing like left dash
position equals
table dash content. Okay,
okay.
I'll be
I'm just
taking here
copying
an
this
image.
into the
Okay, the image
section.
will be
So
order. Okay,
copy
and here I'm going to create a
yes,
form. So let me just
copy and paste
search on
everything.
the Google. We have to make things easy
Alright,
for us.
I have copy and
So I'm
paste
going
them
to
in
write
all classes and you
HTML
will see it
forms.
here. Now I just need some decoration. Okay, so
Let's just take it from the
let's
W3
say
schools.
div inside this
It will be like in this type,
div
but I
we
will
will be
decorate it
using
there.
padding 1
Just
rem
copy
this
paste it
type
here.
and we'll
Sorry,
give it
here.
background. Let me check
And
with
now
the
you will see
background
what we
color green.
got. Okay, it will look
So
like
total
this.
of the divs will be the icons,
So
sorry, will be white.
I think I'm
Now
forgetting
let's
something
check.
else here.
Alright, it's fine. Okay.
Everything is fine.
Need to increase the size of the divs like the font awesome icon. So let me take the font
Okay,
dash size
let me
will
just
be
decorate it.
8
I'll look
pixel
at this.
that's
Will be
fine.
back here.
And let me copy this
So
white.
in the end here, I'll just write
So
this. Okay,
I'll just
padding 3 rem and
crop by
7%.
deep
Okay,
and
and forget one more
alright
thing.
and
We have to write it like
left
here,
will
taking
be
one tag, order,
1 area
and span, and well
that's
now. Okay,
fine. Now when we
I'll write
hover
here
on this, let me
in the
just make
table
some margin between the margin will be 1
and
area.
H1.
Now median
Text
distance
align
must
will
be
be
equal to
center.
1.5 area. That's
Font
fine.
dash size will
When we
be,
hover on
sorry,
them,
50
hover
pixel. Font dash family will be
hover. So
dancing and
background
script
color should be
cursive.
background color should be white
Let's see
and
how it's
color
look
of the
like.
font
Sorry
should
here.
be
Okay. Now I'll say it
just
that
yeah
in
okay.
H1 we have a span.
And
Sorry,
let me give it
span.
some border
I'll just write it
context
like color
and solid
variable and
and
orange.
will be white
That's fine.
working
Okay.
perfectly.
Let me
And
just
now
take the main
I want
table.
to see one more thing. So when we hover on this, I need the cursor to
We are
be
going to make it
point.
flex.
It will look like this.
Display
Yeah.
flex. Align item
We can also
center
put some transition
gap
maybe
will
to
be
make
1.5
it
rem. Sorry, em,
transition
and
will be
flex dash rep will be
so
rep.
it will change it a bit slowly.
It will look like this. After this,
And
may
also
let
I
me
can give it
make
border
some width.
radius 10 pixel
I'll
and it
say
will also work.
that
Yeah,
flex
and border
1 and
radius
45 rem.
1.
Same for the next class, okay?
Variable green. Hope that will work perfect now. Working now, okay. But what I need to
Flex
skill I
1
need to do is now
145
when I
rem.
hover on the
Yeah, look like
images,
good.
then I want them to shine.
Now
I don't
we
them
are moving to our
right now.
input fields.
So let
So
me just make display none. Okay. Alright. So when I hover on which class, yes, this class, I'll take this one in a gallery. I'll write it here. when I hover over this hover, then what we need to do is this class display initial. Let's try. Yes, it's working now, but I think there's something need to fix. I don't need them like this. Okay, so I don't want it to look like this. I think I'm making some mistake here. I think I have to remove this blend from her. And there is one more property of CSS, and also we don't need the div here, we just need the main gallery icons because we have met this class absolute. So display not display initial, I think the property in my mind is the CMSX is limit, the word is the opacity. Let me try with opacity. Okay, so I'll write here. mm, so here in this opacity will be 0, and when we hover here I need opacity to be 1. Let's try what we can get now. Okay, yes, 1. Now it's working perfectly. Okay, that is the gallery section we have created, and I think there I will create one more section of the review section, but I will copy. I'm already having code of the review section, so I'll just need to make them copy and paste because the video will be going to be too lengthy and it will take too much time. So for the next time I will also explain the reviews section. And let me just make one more thing. It's looking good, so background color will be variable if it's looking good like this. That's fine now. All fine. Okay, I can also make one more thing. When we hover over here, the image should be moved a bit above, so I think I can make it like this. When we hover on this, so image should be margin desktop. Let me take it from pixel sorry, but you know what, everything is now moving. Okay, I'll make another video with this. I'm confused here, so let yeah, there is one more thing. If we can make the position of image to be absolute, then it will work, but I'll discuss this thing in the next video, inshallah. Okay,
Okay guys, so as you can see, I have already created the review section. The next time I will inshallah explain everything about the review section, but for this time the video will be going to be too lengthy. I'm going just creating another section, so it will be for like order or something, contact us, you can use for anything. So for that we will be going to create like taking the main div, and between there I'll taking the right side, right content, okay, table, and here I'll create one more thing, like left dash table dash content. Okay, I'll be taking here an image. Okay, the image will be order. Okay, and here I'm going to create a form. So let me just search on the Google. We have to make things easy for us. So I'm going to write HTML forms. Let's just take it from the W3 schools. It will be like in this type, but I will decorate it there. Just copy paste it here. Sorry, here. And now you will see what we got. Okay, it will look like this. So I think I'm forgetting something else here. Everything is fine. Okay, let me just decorate it. I'll look at this will be back here. So in the end here, I'll just write this. Okay, padding 3 rem and 7%. Okay, and forget one more thing. We have to write it like here, taking one tag, order, and span, and well now. Okay, I'll write here in the table and h1 text align will be center, font dash size will be, sorry, 50 pixel, font dash family will be dancing and script cursive. Let's see how it's look like. Sorry here. Okay, now I'll set that in h1 we have a span, sorry, span. I'll just write it like color variable and orange. That's fine. Okay, let me just take the main table. We are going to make it flex, display flex, align item, center gap will be 1.5 rem, sorry, em, and flex dash wrap will be wrap. It will look like this. After this, let me make some width. I'll say that flex 1 and 45 rem. Same for the next class. Okay, flex 145 rem. Yeah, look like good. Now we are moving to our input fields. So okay guys, so now let me just decorate the form. Okay, let me make it like email. Okay, email. Okay, and this one be input tab text. Okay, and this will be name or something. Okay, just let's see. Okay, so I'll say first I'll take the right side. Okay, and in the right side, then form, I will be giving it width 100%. Okay, and in form, let me just check it in form, and form we have label. So I'll say label font dash size will be 1.5 rem. Let's see. Okay, and now we are having inputs. So input, I'll say, let me give it some border. Okay, border 1 pixel solid variable and green. I think hope you will see it now. Okay. Okay, after this, let me give it some padding. So padding will be 2 rem and 0, and width will be 100%. Okay, so now as you can see, it will look like this. Let me just give some padding. Padding will be 4 rem and 0. Okay, I will also give some padding here. So padding will be 2 rem and 0. It's not taking. Let me give it some margin. Margin will be 2 rem and 0. Let's see, not working. Let me check the label name. It's label. It's fine, but I don't know why it's not working. Okay, okay, let me guess. One more thing, so it will look like this. I don't know why it's not working, but I have make it with another way. Okay, I'll give margin to the input. Yes, the input field. So I will give it 1 or em0. Okay, hope it will work now. So you will see some space here. Okay, and let me add one more field here. So like this, and it will be name value div. Let me just make it first name. First name. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. So first name will be here. Here will be email. Sorry, email, and first name, and here will be the last name. That's fine. Okay, and here we are having submit. So the input, I'll give it a class submit, and I'll copy. I'll say that when we hover on this, so I need my cursor to be pointer. Yeah, fine, it's working. Okay, yeah, fine, everything is fine, working. Okay, but sorry. Alright, it's fine now. We just need some margin here, so I will give margin or padding to the main table. Okay, I'll give main table. Where's the main table? Yes, I'll give padding dash top will be 3 rem. Fine now. Okay, And the last step we just need to do is footer. And let me just give one thing here on main table, right table. All right, all fine. Nothing need more. Okay. We will go to create our footer. So here I'll be taking dot footer. Okay. Here I will be taking h1 tag and will write contact us, and below here I'll take then main dash footer, sorry, not main dash footer, and here I'll taking inner dash footer. I will be taking h2 tag dummy links, and here I'll be taking this links. Just need to copy and paste them. Now I will just copy and paste them below down. I think three of the column will be best. We can also take on the one side a logo or anything else, but let me just start with footer. So here background image will be okay, URL images, and let's see footer. Okay, width will be 100%, padding will be 3 rem and 7%, background dash repeat, no repeat, background position will be center, and let's see, I think, yeah, it's here. Okay, you will see it shortly. Let me just make it height and 100 vh. Hope it will be fine with this. Okay, I'll find. Now I'll say the main footer. We just need to make it display, sorry, display flex. Align items will be center, gap will be 15 pixels. One more thing, just need to add flex dash wrap will be wrap. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, one thing I just forget about this will be the footer. H1 color will be white, text dash align center, font dash size will be 50 pixel, need some padding, padding will be 2 rem 0. Okay, that's fine. Inner flex, okay. So inner footer, sorry, it will be, we can say that flex 300 pixels. All right. Now we will say that in we can make it one more thing, footer, and we have h2 here. Color will be white. Font dash size will be 22 pixel. All fine. Color will be no, padding will be 1 rem and 0. Okay. Now I'll see one more thing. We will say the a tag color will be white, display will be block, align item center, workable, font dash size 18 pixels, margin 1 rem, padding 1 rem, and boom, and it's all fine. Okay, just need one more thing here. So when we hover over it, margin dash left 10 pixel, transition 0.5 sec. Let's see, not working. Let's make it minus 10 pixel. See what? Yeah, got it. Let me make it margin right. Remove minus C. Workable or not? Not working. I think my laptop going to be slow. Not working too. Why? Margin dash right. Okay, all fine. We will write it for now. I think my system is too sticky at this time. I haven't shut down it from the last 48 hours, so maybe it's playing with me. Okay, all fine. It has been created. Okay, everything is fine. I will make some changes here. If I got anything, I will think about this, and if I make any changes, you will be having source code and you can get it